Alrighty guys, welcome back to KKR Fan Tank. We've got three lucky fans of the Kolkata Knight Riders joining us. Priyansh is here, Amay and Tanveer. Welcome. You have won yourself the opportunity of a lifetime. You get to talk to the think tank of the Kolkata Knight Riders directly, share your ideas and your strategies with them. And joining us on this very special call is the assistant coach of the Kolkata Knight Riders, Abhishek Nair. We'd like you to clap and welcome him.
Hi guys.
So,
Hello, sir.
let's ask the first question. Who has a question?
Good evening. I was very excited to see Varun Chakravarti, and I was hoping that he will get a game. So there is just one question. When I was watching the match, I saw that after taking David Warner's wicket, Brendan McCullum came at. He gave a high five to you. So that gave me an intuition that it was your strategy to play Varun. So is it so?
Not really. I think whatever decisions we make, it's everyone together. It's not my decision. It was more with the fact that we spent a lot of time at the KKR Academy and just excitement, which is not used to seeing with me. But in terms of any decision that happens in the team, it's everyone collectively that makes that decision.
Okay.
All right, next question. Priyansh.
Hi, I'm Priyansh. Wanted to ask you that why is Russell bowling the death overs in the end?
Well, I think Priyansh, it's more to do with strategy. We feel that he has skills and obviously the experience to bowl in the death. We have a few younger guys who are doing the job as well, but we don't want to be predictable. We're trying to make sure that they are as unpredictable in terms of our preparation going into any game. And it's just one of those things that we call him the Superman of this game, and we believe he can do things that no one else can. So that's just one of the reasons why we want him to bowl in the death as well.
अब मौका मिला ये सारे फैंस को टू इंटरैक्ट विद द थिंक टैंक, तो आपके कोई स्ट्रेटजीज हो टीम के लिए विद from the lens of the game tomorrow?
After looking at the first match against Mumbai Indians, a lot of them had questions regarding Pat Cummins, but we know the fact that he came after a quarantine period directly playing a match. So, and the results were seen after the second match. I mean, the way he bowled. If you see, he was steaming in, hitting the deck hard. So how does that matter? And especially when he had that 33 runs against MI, and then coming on to ball that superb with 4 overs, 19 runs. So how important do you consider Cummins in this whole scenario?
Well, I think he's one of our marquee players. We know he's ranked number 1 in T20s internationally. So we understand that sometimes it's not easy to just come out of quarantine and without knowing the conditions or getting used to the heat here. I think having that game and knowing that he's always done this in the past, we somewhere believe that it's a matter of time. And obviously, he showed his class. We gave him the new ball. He came, delivered, got us big wickets. So I think. All in all, your big players will stand up. It's just a matter of time. It's a game where sometimes, things may not go as planned, but as long as the process is good, I think we believe that every individual who enters that park is going to do a job for us.
All right, so tell us your thoughts. What do you want to see the Kolkata Knight Riders doing tomorrow?
So what I feel is, after watching yesterday's match, it was pretty much evident that Dubai is a stadium which has long boundaries. And having one or two runs running between the wickets could be very crucial, and that's where I feel adding an extra batsman, going with an extra batsman could give us an edge. And looking at the way Washington Sundar bowled yesterday and the way Varun Chakravarti bowls, there are a bit similarities when it comes to pace, I feel. So we can start with Varun with the new ball, and Tripathi or Siddesh Lad at the top could be helpful, and because of this combination, there might be a chance where Nagarkoti could miss out. So, looking at the long boundaries, creating those singles and doubles into the gaps is very important, is what I feel.
Perfect. Thank you. Keep that in mind. Nice, good suggestions.
Now, talking specifically about the opposition, the Rajasthan Royals, they've been known to score big at the top. Stephen Smith, you've got Josh Butler and Sanju Samson. What are your ideas on keeping them quiet?
We should back our bowling attack, which is very good, I feel. the way Pat Cummins bowled. I mean, those crucial power play overs. If you see Johnny Bairstow, who is someone who was known for hitting hard, and that's the similar way what Josh Butler plays. So having a firepower pacer up front would definitely help with a mix of Varun Chakravarti. And I feel after yesterday's match, DK has been exceptional when it comes to changing the bowlers. The way he has changed the bowlers, he never gave time for the SRH batsmen to settle. I mean, coming up with pace, spin, and then excitement at the end with Russell bowling the death overs. And that's how, if you vary the combinations, I feel it would be very difficult for Butler and Samson to adjust to the lengths. And that's how, I mean, going up front with Pat Cummins and trusting him would be the best part.
Yes, good observations are well done.
Thank you.
तनवीर, क्या आप हमें सुन सकते हो? आपका ऑडियो काफी ऊपर नीचे हुआ जा रहा है।
जी सुन सकते हैं।
जी बताइए, आपके अभिषेक के लिए कुछ सवाल हैं?
मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक सजेशन दूं आपको। जैसे मैंने संजू सैमसन की बैटिंग देखा है, तो उन्होंने स्टेप खड़े छक्के मारे, बहुत स्टेप आउट नहीं किया। तो मैं चाहता हूँ उनके सामने कुलदीप यादव आए और उनको खींचे, सामने बॉल खींचे और उनको इंकरेज करे कि आप आगे बढ़कर मारे, क्योंकि हमारा मैच दुबई में है। दुबई का ग्राउंड छोटा नहीं है, शारजा के मुकाबले बहुत बड़ा है, तो उनके लिए हो सकता है कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो।
जी बिल्कुल, आपका सजेशन हम देंगे कुलदीप को, और कुलदीप भी शायद यही कोशिश करेंगे कि संजू बाहर निकल के उन्हें मारने की कोशिश करे, और अगर उनको आउट करेंगे कुलदीप तो आपको पूरा श्रेय जाएगा।
स्पेसिफिकली कुलदीप ही क्यों, मुझे ये जानना है। व्हाई? कुलदीप आपके फेवरेट बॉलर है केकेआर से?
जी नहीं, फेवरेट तो सभी है, बट कुलदीप पिछले साल से वो अपना रंग पे नहीं चल रहे। तो लास्ट ईयर भी राजस्थान के खिलाफ उन्होंने अपना बेस्ट दिया था, तो नेक्स्ट मैच हमारा उनके साथ है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो फॉर्म में आ जाए, क्योंकि हमारी स्पिन डिपार्टमेंट भी मजबूत हो जाएगी। और कुलदीप अगर फॉर्म में रहेंगे तो फिर नारायण, कुलदीप और वरुण, ये तिकड़ी हमारी काम कर जाएगी। और जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले टाइम में पिच स्लो हो सकता है। पिच स्लो होगा तो स्पिनर ज़्यादा मदद करेंगे और हमारे लिए बेटर होगा। दैट्स व्हाई मैं चाहता हूँ कि कुलदीप जल्द से जल्द फॉर्म पकड़े।
तो चलिए, कल के प्लेइंग 11 में कुलदीप तो एक नाम आपका पक्का है, बाकी के 10 कौन होंगे बता दीजिए।
मैं एक बोलना चाह रहा था कि लास्ट मैच जो हमने खेला, शायद हमने एक बैट्समैन कम लेके खेला और एक बॉलर बढ़ा के खेला। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि रसल हमारे छठे बॉलर रहे तो सही है, और एक बैट्समैन को राहुल त्रिपाठी या फिर रिंकू सिंह को हम लोग ऐड कर ले उसमें, और पिच के सिचुएशन के हिसाब से नागरकोटी और वरुण चक्रवर्ती में से किसी को बाहर बैठा, क्योंकि नीतीश राणा भी हमारे 1-2 ओवर फेंक सकते हैं।
जी, आपको ऐसा लगता नहीं कि ऑन एन एवरेज जो 7 नंबर पे बल्लेबाजी करते हैं T20 में, वो मात्र 7 बॉल खेलते हैं? तो आप कह रहे हैं कि एक्स्ट्रा बल्लेबाज तो खिलाए, लेकिन अगर वो 7 नंबर पे 7 ही बॉल खेलने वाला होगा तो आपको क्या लगता है इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा कौन बनाएगा, एक गेंदबाज या बल्लेबाज, या कोई ऐसा ऑलराउंडर जो थोड़ी बहुत बल्लेबाजी भी कर सकता है?
हमारे में एक यही मिसिंग है कि हमारे पास एक इंडियन ऑलराउंडर, सॉलिड ऑलराउंडर जो नहीं है, जो रसल को बैक कर सके। जैसे कि रसल अगर चला भी जाता है जल्दी तो वो आकर कुछ काम कर सकता, वो मिसिंग मुझे लग रही है स्क्वाड में। बाकी स्क्वाड यंग और मैच्योर है पूरी।
टेंशन मत लीजिए, कमलेश नागरकोटी वो करेंगे, वो भी ऑलराउंडर है। उन्हें बल्लेबाजी करते हुए देखा नहीं अब तक, लेकिन वो भी बहुत ही काबिल खिलाड़ी है, और वो ऐसे खिलाड़ी है जो टीम को ना कि सिर्फ मैच जिता सकते हैं, वो टूर्नामेंट भी जिता सकते हैं।
चलिए, we've got some great ideas. I think Abhishek has plenty to think about before match day. And guys, thank you so much for your ideas. आपकी strategies, आपकी playing 11s को हमने जाना है, सुना है, and we will try to do the very best against the Royals. Thank you and for joining us on another edition of KKR Fan Time.